G'day folks, just bring you along to have a look at my quarantine tank. Any questions, whack them down in the comment section. If you're new to the channel and like what I'm doing, hit that like button, and bell on YouTube will let you know when I'm uploading a new video. Let's get to it. So my quarantine tank is finished. Been running for about 2 weeks now. I haven't done any water tests on it yet. I'll do water tests on it probably tomorrow. What I've done is a chop and flip. I brought a aquaponics system off of someone else who had 2 chop and flips joined together, and this is half of it. Grow bed is that date. I would have had it 2 runs date, but it's that date. I'm using this quarantine tank as my herb garden, so I'm growing all my herbs in it. Let's start off with the tank. It's a chop and flip IBC. I would take that 2 runs high instead of 1, and you cut that off, flip it upside down, and you have your 2 bits. Water system, pump, I'm not quite sure yet. I'll have to have a look and see what that actually is down there running this, because I haven't checked yet. I was just in a hurry to get this up and running so I can get some more fish into my system. So the pump runs up there to that T-section, just there, then runs to the back to a tap that I can adjust that goes into this grow bed. It splits off into a T-section just here and comes back this way. So it comes back to another tap just here, which goes down into a bit of PVC pipe that I've drilled holes in. So to aerate the water, I can adjust that to whatever I like by just moving that tap around, see how much aeration I want. Media I'm using is what I always use, which is my lava rock, which is straight lava rock is my media. Herbs I've got in here at the moment is some basil, garlic chives. What else have I got growing here? I've got some rocket plants that I'm going to plant out here. I got some seed, or grew some seed, so I'll be planting them out. I've just planted some rosemary and some dill, and some dill that I've planted to go in as well. So everything's going well. Plants, I'm substituting the nutrients in here, because I haven't got fish in here of course. Sea salt and eco seaweed, bit of Epsom salts, and that's what I'm substituting it with. So that's my quarantine tank up and running. So all I got to do now is find 100 silver perch to put in here to quarantine for a little bit, and then swap into my main system, as you can see, which is going good with just the goldfish at the moment. So yeah, all going well. Okay folks, I'll leave it at that. If you see anything I'm doing wrong or any comments, whack it down in the comment section. You like what I'm doing or want to see more of my videos, hit that like button and bell, and YouTube will let you know when I upload a new video. I do have a lot more videos on my channel if you'd like to go and have a look. So folks, hope you are all safe and staying well with this COVID, and I shall catch you next video.